Hello everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 22 Pro, and let me show you how to activate the installation of apps from unknown sources. So at first unroll the list of all apps, then find and select the settings, go to Apps 10, scroll all the way down and click on Special App Access. Now go a bit lower and here you will notice Install Unknown Apps. Smoothly mark it. And now if you wish to download something, for example via files, all you have to do is to pick the app and then click on Allow from the source. And that's it. Then you can go back and choose any other app of yours, then give the permission to this particular app. And that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.